In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your business finances in QuickBooks Online. We'll take a guided tour through the key areas you'll use every day so you can move confidently and stay organized. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser. When you land on the home page, you're on your main dashboard, the place that gives you a quick snapshot of how your business is doing. First, locate the Create button. This is your launchpad for everyday transactions. From here, you can start new invoices, record expenses and bills, and log payments. Think of it as the fastest way to capture money coming in and money going out. If you're entering several transactions in a row, use consistent dates, categories, and payee names to keep your reports clean and comparable later on. When you're done, head back to the home view. This brings you to the dashboard again, where you can see current performance, recent activity, and helpful reminders. Use this space to confirm that your latest transactions are reflected and to spot anything that needs attention, like outstanding invoices or upcoming bills. A quick glance here each day helps you catch small issues before they become big ones. Next, open the feed. The feed gives you a running view of what's happening across your business. It's designed to surface updates and tasks you might want to act on, helping you stay on top of activity without digging through multiple screens. As you review, look for items that are waiting for your input and keep notes concise so future you understands what happened. Now go to Accounting. This is where your chart of accounts and key balances live. Review account names and types so transactions post to the right places. Clean, well-structured accounts make your reports accurate and easy to read. If you notice duplicate or unclear accounts, mark them for later cleanup so your financial picture remains consistent. Move over to Expenses. Here you can view bills, purchases at vendors, and spending trends. Sort by date, amount, or status to quickly find what you need. Verifying vendor names and categories here pays off at tax time and gives you better insight into where your cash is going. If something looks off, open the transaction and confirm the details before you proceed. Finally, visit Sales. This is your hub for customers, invoices, estimates, and payments. Scan for overdue invoices and recent payments to understand your cash inflows. Clear, timely invoices and accurate payment records support healthy cash flow and reduce follow-up work. That's the essential workflow. Use, Create to record transactions, Home for your snapshot, Feed for timely updates, Accounting to maintain structure, Expenses to control outflows, and Sales to manage inflows. Revisit these areas regularly and keep your entries consistent, and your books will stay reliable and ready for decisions.